Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today what we are going to see is more about Python codes. So as you can see over here, this time my code is about, let's see who bats first. Now over here, this is hand cricket. I'm sure you must have heard about hand cricket, but if you have not, then let me explain it to you. My friends, hand cricket is a game which is played by hands, as you can see in its name, but you have to put different types of numbers ranging till 1 to 6, and then you have to bat and you have to bowl. But if you get the same number and the computer also gets the same number, you are out. And over here, we have a game of 20 overs, and let's name it a T20. So let's play it. Okay, heads or tails? Let me choose tails. So as you can see, after every score, it tells us the score. So basically, my batsman has made a 50 in 5 overs. So as you can see, after 10 overs, I'm 105 for 2 and the computer is 77 for 3 wickets down. Now let's go ahead. See how interesting it is. It tells you your score also after every over. But remember, my friends, in this game, if one over will be skipped after each time you get out. Computer is 137 and I am 139 for 5. So I have to give the computer a good game, and now I win by 21 runs. So as you can see, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now my friends, as you can see over here, I've used the for condition, the if else condition, and I've imported random, which is the computer's input, and I've put every command out over here. Every innings is being played. So if you do not understand anything, please write in the comment section. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video for more and more informative videos. Thank you.